yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Y'all, I have mastered the art of the Kinky Curly unit. Y'all, this unit is from Beauty Forever and it's a 7x5 closure unit and it came out absolutely beautiful. So full, curls are just popping. I love just the whole texture of it. Anyways, let me go ahead and get into the details of it and then I'll show you guys exactly like what products and all that good stuff that I use. So here's everything that came with the wig. You've got a little bit of lace tape right here. They gave you some HD caps. Here is a up close look at the texture. They also have already taken the lace off for you. So if you do not like taking lace off, done, over with. No plucking necessary. They've plucked the hairline. They've done it all. They've bleached the knots. Nothing is needed. You could really just pop this on and go, and y'all are going to see exactly just how quick it was for me to install this unit. So lately wig caps have been bothering me. So you see I had it on. I'm just going to remove it. Let me speak clearly. Do what you feel. I also did not have my normal TG hairspray. That is my absolute love. You can definitely do this without anything if you wanted to. However, I always add a little bit of something. So since I didn't have my normal hairspray right here, y'all, I'm just using some spritz right on, like right where my part is, just a tiny bit just to get that lace down as much as I possibly can. It really didn't need that much because this unit actually fit me really well, which is a little bit surprising. And also, y'all, I'm gonna probably forever always add a little bit of something to my wigs because it's 2024. We only got a few more months left of 2024. Your wig should not be slipping off of your head at this point. It takes you about 30 seconds to put a little hairspray down, a little foam, a little something down to give you a little extra hold. We should not be having any slippage happening. So anyways, y'all, after I just lifted up my little crusties, all this took me like no time to do. I'm just pulling out my baby hairs, doing some swoops on the side, keeping it very easy. I didn't go ham. I just kind of went with the flow, to be honest. And whenever I go with the flow, whenever I'm doing my little baby hairs and stuff, they always come out the best. So if you ever having trouble doing them, laying them, getting them, you know, to look exactly how you want to, just don't think about it too much. That's my biggest tip for you guys. I get questions all the time whenever I do my baby hairs. Typically I do a lot more if I'm doing like a kinky curly style or a curly style wig. I always go do a little extra, but when it comes to straighter styles, I kind of pull it back. If you're thinking, like my grandma used to say, if you think too long, you don't play wrong. So just kind of go with the flow. Don't think too much about your edges, your hairline, and just make it look as natural as possible. Another thing that helps me with my hairline is just find your personal style as well, because I don't like for my hairline to look perfect. Like, y'all know y'all see me doing my edges and stuff, but once they dry down and all that good stuff, I'm gonna mess them up because I just like for them to, one, not stick on my head. They don't have to be perfect. I just think it looks a little bit more natural that way. So after I laid them, added some more foam, which is a huge tip, y'all. I always add foam to like my part. I always blow dry for about 30 to 45 seconds just to dry it up, and then I add my band right here because this is what really melts it. So you don't want to blow dry all the way. Make sure you add your band and your hair should be looking something like this. Y'all tell me that hairline is not looking natural, is not looking good. Like, y'all, I was too excited. I knew after this style was gonna be fire, y'all. So with this hair, I am starting to really like kinky curly hair. One, of course, because it's the closest to my natural hair texture, but also you can just do so much with it. And look how big it gets, y'all. You can do so many styles with kinky curly hair. I think it's just one of the best to just get some versatility going if you want to. So I brushed it all out, y'all, and I'm just using my Lotta Body foam with this brush. It's not a dimming brush, but it's basically like one, and just really getting the curls to pop, really defining the curls, and this combination was perfect for me. I normally also like to use cream, so like a cream based product first with a little bit of foam, but notice, y'all, I didn't even go in and spray my hair with any water, and I think that's what like helped me achieve like this what you call it, like defining the curls. Basically, I would normally go in with some water first, but I think just going in with the foam, which is something I've never done up until this video, really helped me like really see the definition, get the definition going. So just adding this foam, raking it through, really saturating it. You can see I'm using a lot of it, and then just using the brush to really define the hair and get the curls to pop. Y'all are gonna see just how full this looks. This unit is very full, you guys, and depending on what products you use, you can either keep the curls like this, how they're just, you know, just kind of more defined, not so big, but I want bigger. I want volume at this point. Okay, so we are about to get this unit as full as it can be, and obviously it didn't require a lot. So my hair isn't 100% dry at this point, so I just lifted up my hairs, my little baby hairs, because they were fine, they were good. But right here I was about like 75-80% dry, so I just went in with my blow dryer on what is this, like low heat basically, and just got to the roots, just really got to the roots. That was the wettest part, like it would normally be, and this helped also to not only speed up the drying time but also fluff it up a bit, and then just cut a few pieces just to kind of break up the length. Even though it was kind of already broken up for me, it's already kind of layered, but I just went in a little bit more, and now we're fluffing it up, y'all, and here we are. Like, y'all can't tell me this does not look good. It looks so good, and you see the stretch that I gave you, because I think this is like 22 inches. Don't hold me to it. Make sure you check the description box down below, and I'll have the direct link down there to the Beauty Forever website that has this unit. But y'all, this took me no freaking time to do. So easy. My husband loved it. I rarely wear my hair like this, and he loved it. My son loved it, and I'm just doing a little different style right here, just throwing my hair up. I'm like, this would be cute to wear to my son's football games. So I was like, maybe I'll wear my hair like this Saturday for game day. Anyways, you guys, y'all got options. You can also do twist outs, braid outs with this unit too. So don't think you only have wash and goes or like just the style that I'm doing right here. You have so many options with this unit. And then it's a 7x5 closure unit, so you don't got to worry about full lace or nothing like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.